Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate the messages that most of you have sent over the last few days. And I appreciate it, guys. Just keep liking and subscribing so I can devote more time to this. Again, the content is free. It's not something I'm selling you. It's just whenever I bring a new video, it's easier for you to get notified. Now, let's jump right into it. Blink. Blink has been on a tear for the last few days. I think 2 days ago went up to as high as $6.72. There was a huge pullback, and now it's an opportunity again. Guys, Blink is a great opportunity at this stage. Now, I'd love to say if you guys got in the early $2 or low $1, then yes, you'd be in a great position. That being said, I know a lot of people are scared because okay, you're afraid of buying at this week's high or it's all-time high, and then it drops and you're stuck with it, which I understand. But if we're thinking long term, think long term. 2020 has been a year where we consistently see any vehicle to do with electric is going up. Like EV stocks is one of the hottest stocks for 2020. If we're looking at in the past 10 days, the top EV companies stock is trading higher 30% than normal. Now, if we go back, if we look at Tesla, 3 months ago, Tesla was trading just below $500. Now, previous to that, they were in the high 7 and 8. But if we rewind back to 9 months ago, specifically last July, last summer in general, Tesla stock was trading below 190 US dollars. Now, I bought up a few shares at $198, I remember. And it drops down to in the 80s. I almost panicked, but I said, you know what? It's a long-term investment, so I sit and let it be. So, with that being said, Tesla today is trading at 1,200 US dollars per share. Now, if we look back to last summer until this summer, in 12 months, that's an insane 500, 600%. Now, if we look in the last 30 days or last 3 months, you can still see the numbers. Tesla has gone up 100% since March. Now, if we look at Blink, same situation. 2, 3 months back, they were trading as low as $1.70. If we fast forward back in the last 5 days, they're trading at $6.70. Now, it's really simple. It's simple math. You have to invest in the lower end and exit in the higher end. Now, it's hard to predict if the stock will drop or if it will stabilize at this, but you have to think about it. The support and resistance for a stock like Blink is very hard to pinpoint because the company is poised for growth. Now, up until today, Blnk Inc. is one of the largest charging equipment and network in US. If you look in the United States, Blink have controlled that market. Now, up until recent, we have seen that Blink and Envoy, another EV tech company, has joined partnership for $24 million deal. Now, we understand that they will roll out 2,000 EV charging station for Envoy, but that's just to show you that Blink is in a unique situation. Who knows in the future if Blink is not acquired by Tesla, right? That's a good position to look at as well. Or if not, if Blink expand their network to Canada, to Europe, to Asia, China, we just never know. So that's why I tell you guys that Blink is a great opportunity. It's a great investment. They're poised for growth. And as we know it right now, we do know they are the largest charging network in the United States with charging equipment and network platform in general. Now, their technology is a fast charge, which attract a lot of users. So again, I think that Blink is poised for either a takeover from one of these larger companies that looking to exceed without doing the research. I strongly think, if you recall with Tesla, There was a company, I think back 3 years ago when I used to trade on that company. I think the name was SolarCity. Yes, guys, it is a fact. SolarCity was one of the up and rising company, but Tesla saw the opportunity and take over. Now, Blink is in the same unique situation. If you think about the logical part of this investment, EV vehicles are on the rise. For 2020, 2021, and 2022, next 2 3 years is going to be the prime year for everyone to caught up with the technology and start producing EV vehicle. Same as a gas vehicle. EV vehicles need to charge. That's the simple mindset I have. If you're making electric vehicles, they need to be able to charge so they could drive. Now, unless if a company comes up with a similar idea as SolarCity to have a charger dispatched to everyone's house, which in the long run might be one of the option. If you're purchasing an electric vehicle, then you may want to invest of having a charging station at your house. But until that time, vehicle needs to be moving from point A to point B, and they need a place to be charged. So Blink is in a unique situation, and I'm looking ahead of that. Think about when electric vehicle goes into commercial vehicles, such as tractor trailers. These trucks going to pull a lot of weight. The heavier the trucks are, the more weight they're pulling, is the more energy consumption. So at some point, these will be a big target. So I'm telling you, Blink is a great opportunity for someone to invest in long term because they are one of the fastest growing company. They have a huge footprint in the US right now, and in the future you could see them expanding into Europe or Asia or Canada. You just never know. So again, it's my opinion. I'm not advising, I'm not telling you that you need to go and invest in this company. I'm just sharing my opinion that it is a great investment opportunity. Now, I wish you guys have got in on the lower twos. Then it's more felt more safe for most of you guys that don't want to take a chance. But you guys could wait a little bit, see if it drops in the $4 or the $3 range, or if it spikes up in the 6, 7, and 10, then you guys are gonna make a move. Think about it, guys. It's as similar as Workhorse. A few weeks back, they're trading just on $1, and today they're trading over $22 per share. And it's the same thing, EV vehicle. Anything to do with electric vehicle is on a climb for 2020. And before it's too late, I just want you guys to know that's why I'm bringing this video to you guys. And I encourage you guys, please subscribe to my channel.